Welcome back to the channel. Now the PNP have released their most damning piece of evidence to date. Just like Daryl Var said, the information that he said about Mark Golding came from within the PNP. The PNP are now saying they have found the six and that the information that they have came from the JLP themselves. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this statement being made by the PNP. Let me go hear what go on. Look and listen.
Darrell Vaz knows the labor right talk to it to them. As a matter of fact, Darrell, for sure, it's a labor right talk to me. A labor right called me this morning and said, I'm going to Brace River, I must big up Andrew Holness, Juliet Holness, Andrew Wheatley, Everett Warmington, Bobby Montague, and Fly Green. Inside 6 names, we must interpret what we want from that. Hold on. And the information minister can't say nothing to me because the labor right tell me so. Me don't break no law. So she said,
Now, of course, this has been a matter of major importance for quite some time. As the people have said for years, as a matter of fact, the current budget is over $1 trillion. The people have said for years now, they might hear say, millions have been allocated to DESO. Billions allocated around DESO. 100 million missing from that the ministry there. 600 million gone from DESO, they don't know what gone. Millions of dollars being spent on things that people are saying, you sure say millions of dollars are not spent on this? Just like when the people need to the sign for the grill. The people still say when they hear say how much money, millions of dollars for renovate an existing hospital. While them say the country full of so much land. Why isn't that the initiative is to build a new state-of-the-art facility so people get the treatment and the healthcare where they need? So for years now, the people might ask, where the money are go? Where the money there? Then the Integrity Commission say, they might look into a few individuals. Up to now, we can't hear who those individuals are. But what the PNP has stated, they must say, the government know who them individually. People within the party know who they are. Know the names, what them call, that's what they must say. And in go as far as we say, just like how, when the statement was made about the opposition leader Mark Golding, Daryl Var say, I hear this from the PNP. Him say people within the PNP telling them things there. Now the PNP are saying people from within the Labour Party are speaking to them as well. And they must say the information where them give them. And information where the Integrity Commission said them still investigate. I know we don't hear the names named. The government said them still look into it. I know we don't hear the names named. Of course, the opposition want to know who these individuals. The opposition was the first to forward out and say, these individuals are not in our party, even though the government said the same. But truth be told, some would say, if those individuals did not the opposition, we'd have here already. Some say, if it was the opposition, it must have been past deeds, because the opposition is not the government at the moment. If not, it must be through money given to constituencies, because they are not leading any ministry. The government, the party in power, is the one who has ministers leading ministries. But the opposition have a spokesperson from these ministries. Them not run the ministry. Now, I don't know. I don't know where the government are about this. I know them have to get the government have to give you a statement now about this. Seeing that the opposition is calling them out, basically. And we see the same statement that was made by the government about Mark Golding, I continue to haunt them. Because just like how them say I hear say, from within the party, the PNP I said them hear this. That information from within them own party. And truth be told, if the six exists and it's from a particular party. While the public might not be aware. People within the party, them no must know, but them can probably see. Say it look like these will be the individuals. People know people who when them just come into the party, you know, them never as wealthy as they are now. Remember, common sense. You can't just look upon somebody and know them wealth. But you can't see the way them spend. If when things for spend upon, them used to short, now have it. You know what I mean? They must say, no, next week them will give you. And then all of a sudden, it changed from that to, they must say, they will cover everything. Think about it. If you know somebody, when you know them, they never really have it. Based on how you see them move. And then, after time, it's a complete different scenario. Complete switch. You go from them not have it, to them who pay for even your part. And if you don't know if them are starting a big business, them not tell about no investments, then people are going to start speculate. So maybe that's the scenario. What happen? Even people are speculate from people within the same party. But at the moment, these are just allegations, speculations being made by one party against another party. Some people that call this politics 101. Yeah, when I say politics 101 is, this is an age-old tactics when we are talking about politics. When we are talking about democracy and politics. From day one, it has always been this party pointing to that party and saying that that party, one, doesn't have the people's best interest in mind, and secondly, are guilty of something. Remember, when the PNP did in power, and the now JLP was the opposition, different leaderships though. But then, both parties had different leaderships. It was always a running narrative that one party was, quote unquote, doing things with the money. One party that always I point out that. The thing is, that party was the party in power. So the opposition at that time was saying that the then party that was the government do something with the money. Because they must say, what them hear about the spending, them now see it. And I guess nothing has changed. We have had different leaders for the parties since then. You know what I mean? Both parties have been in power and out of power since then. Well, I think since JLP win again. And, you know, according to them second term. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Do you think for far too long we are here the government? I say, millions are spending some millions are spending this on the people and not see it. Millions for renovate some place and the people must say, I build one new place. Millions for patch the road and fix the pothole them part and left back all some when they could have just scrape the road and build back a fresh road. The people must have these situations been tactics used all along. Tell me, I also think about the PNP saying that them hear this from the JLP, just like how the JLP said, and they hear what them hear from the PNP. Is it that the same scenario is still haunting the JLP? I mean, in that scenario, the people also now have more reservations and more concerns about the NEDs, the national ID thing. And them same statement, I mean, the people must say, yo, all the countries are focused on becoming a republic. While the people have other issues out there I deal with. Why the government are talking about Mark Golden dual citizenship when the people want road and water? All Mark Golden dual citizenship are help the people with road and water. The PNP has said a distraction. And when the PNP said that, people might start to look at it that way because people have said them have more important things to deal with than fair focus on Mr. Golden. And if him have two passports, while enough research was not done to realize say the other passport he made have was to a Commonwealth country. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel as I pass through, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon. And of course, put it on all. And this is how you now will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning. And also join the discussion, the comment section up 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But of course, other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, your opinions right there. We can continue reasoning from the comment section. Now, of course, until we reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and for to prosper. For to stay tuned.